Okay, we're at this person's house buying an RV, and well, I got permission to film the air conditioner carrier, and it has a reciprocating compressor. It's from 2005, and it's a 38 YCC 018 341. So 1.5 ton, and the compressor is a Bristol. And this is a heat pump. Okay, well, this is a brand I've never heard of before. ICP. Commercial Comfort 3-phase. It is a heat pump, and it's buzzing. Never heard of that brand, but it's an ICP unit. We'll make this quick. Oh, it is an ICP unit. 5-ton unit from 2001. Okay, we're over here at this abandoned house, and here's the air conditioner. It is a Grandaire. Obviously, it is a heat pump with a Copeland scroll. Model number JT3BA-042KA, 3.5 ton. Serial is JTF06010167 2006 model. Listed section of split system heat pump. I have no idea where the air handler is, but this thing hasn't been used in years. It's got a scroll compressor. Yeah, this is definitely a heat pump. I see the reversing valve. This is tiny for 3.5 ton. Grandaire heating and cooling products. This house has been vacant for about 4 years. Here we have an old carrier.
Oh, perfect. It's a heat pump from 2000. 3.5 ton.
Old carrier. This is gonna be quick because I didn't even ask to tape it. It was right here, and it's running in cool mode. See, an old carrier.